This is a coconut pudding Filipino dessert called Maja Blanca, made with toasted corn. We are using 2 cans of whole kernel corn, the dessert milk combination of a can of evaporated and condensed milk, a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of white sugar, a can of coconut milk, and shredded cheddar cheese for your toppings. Place the 2 cans of corn in a sheet pan and spread this out evenly. The reason we're using whole kernel corn and not the cream corn version is because we are toasting this in the broiler to get that extra toasty flavor. So it's different from your classic dessert. So spread it out. This will make sure that it gets toasted evenly inside the broiler. Now set it to broil and put it on low. Using a blender, we are going to combine the evaporated milk, the 1/2 cup of sugar, and the cup of cornstarch. And also, we are going to add half of the toasted corn so we get all the flavors blended well in this liquid. Now it's time to simmer the coconut milk. I forgot to shake the can, that's why it looks like this. Add a can of condensed milk to the coconut milk. Now add the cornstarch slurry to the simmering coconut milk. Continue mixing in high heat until most of the liquid evaporates. And when you finally get this consistency, add the rest of the toasted corn. Continue mixing in low heat until it becomes dough-like and you're able to lift it off the pan. Prepare your serving container and even out the pudding. Refrigerate until it cools off completely, then serve.